you off.
Go like that right there for a minute.
But Dino. Now who's lying?
Now, wait a minute.
Is these the people I need to do this to?
Yes. Here. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now I'm supposed to do that, but you hold him up there. Now look at me. Look at Dino. They can't see because the umbrella. Okay. Look at me. Look at Dino. Make them look. Okay, I'll be standing. Do you know where? We thought we had him, Kayla. Not those two yet. Do you know where the magic land is? Why, yes, I am the Hat Wizard.
The Hat Wizard.
I know where it is. I know everything. Just think hard and you will disappear. Your turn. Wait a minute. Gotta get this ready. Now, Kelly, you gotta keep your hand down. Say, wait a minute. That's wrong. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Mom, you gotta turn the camera.
Now.
He spilled ice cream on me. I did not. Yes, you did.
He spilled ice cream on me.
Now do it over.
He spilled ice cream on me. No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Now, calm down. You got to work together. But he walks away. Says, by the way, have you seen a little brown dinosaur? Yes. He went to the magic land. Just think hard, and you will disappear. Ta-da-da. Okay. Have you seen a little brown dinosaur and a little yellow one and a little green one? Yes, but I ain't telling them where you are because you're mean and you just want to eat them.
Addie.
Put it back up. Tell me, I'll find them myself. Do you know where my sister is? Yeah, she went to the magic land with some of her friends. Ah, could you tell me how to get there? Just think real hard and you'll disappear. Please tell me where they are. I've looked everywhere for them. I want to eat them. No, I ain't telling you where they are. Because you will just go over and eat those poor little children. You don't want anything like that to happen. Now get out of here. Hello. Do you know where my brother is? He can't find him. He said he was going somewhere that nobody's ever seen before. Well, he did. He went to the magic land. Well, could you tell me how to get there? Sure. he just close your eyes and think real hard.
Yeah, talk a little louder.
What? Hello, my name is Debbie. What's yours? I'm the magic wizard. Do you need anything from me? Yes, I need to know where the magic land is. Well, you just think. Close your eyes and think real hard. And you'll disappear. Which you already have. I want those children. Tell me where they are. I'll make you disappear, you crazy wizard. You will not. I'll make you disappear. Hello, Mr. Wizard. We're back. Well, a couple people was looking for you. Who are they? Your brother, and your brother. Sister, whatever. Well, we'll go talk to them. We went to the magic land and looked all over for them, and we still can't find them. Yeah, I want them. Well, they just left from the magic land. I don't know where they went, but they just left. I want those kids. You either tell me where they are, I'll eat you up. Oh, no, you won't. You just eat me up. Get out of here. This time we don't have our lines. We run. Oh, what am I going to do with these children? They're coming everywhere. I don't know what to do. Okay. We will continue the play tomorrow at about 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Thank you.
Thank
ladies
you.
and gentlemen.
Thank
Wait a
you.
minute, Mom! Kayla,
Clap, Daddy.
get some of the dinosaurs. Here, wait a minute. We gotta set them up here and have them to bow.
Waffle, waffle.
Good show, chaps.
No, wait, put him around. Hey, don't forget me. Whoa! Now room for me.